Uptown Swing level 1.
8 count.
Naomi.
Peter.
We did only a couple new things, but here's your tiny review on the circle. Remember, when we started like this, everyone was doing this part really well. And then, not turning, and what we want instead is rock, step, triple step, turn, and then leaders, back it up. Take your right side behind you. I'll do it your way one time without stopping. Rock, step, triple step, turn, back it up. That makes the next one easy to do.
Now you see how on 7/8 followers, I'm facing my leader. I'm not facing the way I'm about to face. So if I just face my leader, I'm actually going really sideways on 7/8. And that is okay. I go 5, 6, 7, 8.
Then we open up at the very end on the rock step, the next thing.
Sideways into the rock.
So then we worked on a promenade. Promenades look like this. You go rock step, triple step. We take a little walk.
And with the
pecs, we go, hey, ha. She can think promenade every time, and I can be like, psych. Or maybe I'll go for it. Or maybe not, who knows? We just played around with that feeling. Y'all did great. We will see y'all next week.
And don't forget, your homework / your gift is to look up Frankie Manning and enjoy what you find. That's it. That's it. Okay.